Quality Matters Standard Overview. What is Quality Matters? It is an organization that monitor or assess the quality of your online course. They are basically exist in Canada and USA, China, Australia, and Saudi Arabia also. Then in Saudi Arabia, we take in consideration these standards to develop our uh, online courses. Quality Matters program, who are the most prominent implementer of Quality Matters in the world, then these are countries they take in consideration these issues, how to develop online courses using these standards. Even Blackboard system has accommodated the standards of Quality Matters. And I will go through this standard rapidly and briefly, but you can go to internet and search about this Quality Matters. It is open and you can find it everywhere on the internet. Standards of Quality Matters. Basic standards. Course overview and introduction. Every online course should have these issues. Learning objectives, assessment and measurement, instruction materials, accessibility and usability, course technology, learner support, course activity, and learner interaction. These are the essential standard or the basic standard for any online course that should take in consideration. Yes. And course overview and introduction. I will go through these standards one by one. Then I have the first one is course overview and introduction. Okay, I will go one by one now. And course overview and introduction. The course introduction determines the path which will be followed by the course and allow the students to know what is expected from them, which is very important, and provide them with a guide that guarantees them to good start. And for the learning objectives construct the foundation in which the rest of the course will be based on. Yes, you have to mention the objective of each lesson you are teaching. Assessment and measurement. The assessment is utilized in a way that doesn't only allow the teacher to know the extent of student mastery of the content, but also allows the students themselves to measure their progress during the period of their learning of the course. For example, you can also provide them with self-assessment quizzes, which is not graded, but you can give them small self-assessment quizzes that he can assess himself automatically, the student, to know his progress, at least in the course. For the instruction material form the core of the course, which is very important. Instruction material form the core of the course. The standards here respect the teacher right to choose them. Then you are free as an instructor, as a teacher, how to select your material. This standard also pays attention to the material alignment with the course objective. You have to select your course material to be aligned with your course objectives, which is very important. And the competency, instead of taking care of giving qualitative judgment on the content of the material. This is for the instruction materials, which is the core of your course. And you have to select it very carefully. And